In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products using Gumroad. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or an entrepreneur, Gumroad is a fantastic platform to showcase and sell your digital creations. We'll walk through each step to get your product up and running. To get started, we'll navigate to the Gumroad website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in, so go ahead and click on Login at the top right corner of the screen. If you've already set up an account, you can quickly log in using your Google credentials. Simply click on Google and select the account you'd like to use. Now, if you haven't set up an account yet, you'll want to do that first by following the prompts to create one. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Gumroad dashboard. From here, locate the products section and click on it. This is where you'll be managing all your digital offerings. Now look for the button labeled New Product. This is where the magic begins. Here you can start crafting what will eventually become your product listing. Type in a catchy and descriptive name for your product. Make sure you're opting for a digital product as the type, which suits ebooks, courses, software, and more. Next, you'll choose the currency you want to use and set a price for your product. This will largely depend on the target audience's location and currency preferences, so consider your pricing strategy thoughtfully. After setting your price, it's time to customize. Click on Next Customize to continue. Here you can add a captivating description that effectively communicates the value of your product. Think about what makes your offering special and how it will benefit your potential customers. Remember to add a custom URL. This makes it easier for customers to find your product directly. Adding visuals is also vital. Click on Upload Images or Videos to add a compelling cover for your product. High quality visuals can significantly impact the purchasing decision, so select something that truly represents your product. On the same page, input additional product information that may assist potential buyers in making a decision. This might include specifications, bonuses, or any other relevant details you think will encourage a purchase. When you've prepared your listing, hit Save and Continue to finalize these changes. You'll then have the option to add any digital content or files necessary for your product. During this step, decide if you need to add additional content or adjustments. Finally, once everything looks perfect, click on Publish and Continue. By doing this, your product will officially be available to the world on Gumroad. You're now fully equipped to start selling digital products using Gumroad. Enjoy sharing your creations and watching your business grow.